Dear children, now let us solve the higher order thinking question from the arithmetic progression chapter. Read the question. Let us read the question. If the sum of the n terms is m and the sum of the m terms is n, then show that the sum of m plus n term is what? Minus of m plus n. Here what is given? Given that sum of n terms is m. Sum of m terms is n. And what we have to show? We have to show that sum of m plus n terms is minus of m plus n. We know the formula for the sum of n terms of AP. Now let us write the formula for the sum of n terms. Sum of n terms which is equals to m. That is Sn is equals to m and Sm is equals to n. And what we have to show? We have to show that Sm plus n is equals to minus of m plus n. This is to be proved here. What we have to prove? We have to prove that S of m plus n is equals to minus of m plus n. Now let us write the formula for both. First you take Sn. Sn is equals to, you know, what is that formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equals to m. In the next step, you transfer this 2 to the RHS and multiply each term which are in the bracket by n. That is n into 2a is 2na. Then n into d is n square d plus n square d. Then n into minus 1 into d is minus nd. Minus 1 nd, that is nd, equals, transfer this 2 to the RHS, that becomes 2m. Consider it as first. Then you write the formula for Sm. Sm is equals to m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d equals what? N. Same thing you have to do here. Multiply each term by m. That becomes m into 2a, 2ma, m into d, m square d plus m square d, m into minus 1 into d minus md equals, transfer this 2, that becomes 2n, which is considered as 2. Now let us do 2 minus 1 first. Now let us do 2m minus 2n, which is same as first minus second. So let us write from first minus second. From first minus second. So subtract LHS from the LHS and RHS from the RHS. Then let us take 2na minus 2ma. 2na minus 2ma. And here n square d minus m square d plus n square d minus m square d and minus nd minus of minus md, right? Minus nd minus of minus md means it becomes plus md, which is equals to what? that equals 2m minus 2n. 2m minus 2n. Now let us remove 2a common here. If you remove 2a common, 2a into, in the bracket what you are going to write, n minus m, plus from all these 4 terms let us remove d common. So here what is remaining? n square minus m square minus n plus m into d. Here let us remove 2 as a common, 2 into m minus n. Then again let us write 2a into n minus m plus. Now let us write the factor of n square minus m square, that is n minus m into n plus m, and let us write this n plus m in the bracket. That becomes minus is removed as a common outside, minus 1. In the bracket you are getting n minus m into d equals 2 into m minus n. Then again you write 2a into n minus m plus, out of this you can remove n minus 1 as a common, n minus m into, and in the bracket n plus m, and this is outside, minus 1 is remaining. Write n plus m minus 1 whole into d equals 2 into m minus n. Then out of these 2 terms you can observe n minus m is common, remove that outside. So it comes n minus m as a common factor outside. In the bracket here what is remaining? 2a is remaining. Write 2a. Here what is remaining? These are remaining. So plus n plus m minus 1 into d equals 2 into, here what you can do, my n minus m is there, so better to write minus 2 into, interchange these two, n minus m, to get this same factor on both the LHS and RHS. Then you can cancel them. N minus m cancels. So what is remaining? 2a plus, write it as m plus n, m plus n and minus 1 into d equals minus 2. Then you multiply both LHS and RHS by m plus 1, right, by multiplying LHS and RHS by m plus n. Why? You must need the m plus nth term. So multiply both side by m plus n. Then m plus n into, write this all term as it is, 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d equals minus 2 into m plus n. Transfer this 2 to the RHS. That becomes m plus n by 2 into 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d equals minus 1, 2 and 2 LHS. So what is remaining here? Only minus of m plus n. And here you know that it is a formula for sum to m plus n terms. Then becomes s m plus n is equals to what you got? Minus of m plus n. Here is the result.